Hi. Today's double should be an easy one. You should finish fairly early, so it gives you a chance to maybe catch up with some other subjects. So it's a review of chapter 3.2. So that was acid and various reactions. So remember, mark your attendance. Maybe pause now. Oh, good, you come back. Now we go to lesson 11. Obviously, you've got instructions from the forum. So don't forget you could visit any of these lessons to catch up with your understanding. So that's lessons 6 through to 10. So we're on chapter lesson 11, the chapter review. So all I need you to do today is click on this document here, lesson 11. That's where you'll have your standard instructions. But I'll go through with that with you. So we're going across and there it is there. So we're working out of our textbook on page 87 to 91 with regards to reading it. And then on page 93, I want questions 1 to 8. They're fairly straightforward. And question 10 is a nice one because it goes through all the various features of a chemical equation. Um, don't forget we need to submit our work. So you'll most probably answer this in your summary book. So use your camera on your phone, take some photos. Please use a cam scanner. It's a free app to get on your phone. It will combine all the photos into one document, PDF, that will be easily submitted. And for that, you can follow the instructions, which you did the same as in chapter 3.1. Let's go back. If you're not too sure, there was a video on that. Where's that? That's it there. Video on how to submit, this time chapter 3.2. Okay, so that will be not a Word file, it will be actually a PDF file. And that's should easily get done in the first two periods of this double. And on Friday, we're going to do some more revision of chapter 3.2. So have a good session. Don't forget, if you want to have any help, just email me.